In this video, I'm going to share with you step-by-step guide on how to delete a YouTube video. In just few steps, you'll be able to remove any YouTube videos you no longer want on your channel. So first, once you are logged into your YouTube account, you have the library at the bottom right corner, right over there, and then your videos. So from here, you can choose any video that you want to do. I want to delete this video right over here. So what we just have to do is click on these three dots and then delete. And that's it, you have deleted your YouTube video. And also note that once you have deleted your YouTube video, there is no way that you can recover it. Also, if you have another video that you wish to delete, you can click on it as the same way as you have done before. And that's it, you have successfully deleted a YouTube video. It's as simple as that. So if you want to know how to live stream on YouTube without any difficulty, then be sure to click on this video right here. And I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.